If you want to play N64 games on your PC, Project 64 is a really good emulator. It's the popular option, common option. So you would make a folder with N64 games inside of it. And then you would go to File, and you would open the ROM, go to the game, and choose it. It's gonna run the game for you. Or you can, I don't even know what open combo is. I've never seen that before. I've had this for years, so yeah, you can change the language to whatever you want. ROM directory is the easier way to play games because you go on ROM directory, you choose the folder with all your games in them, and then they just show up on the front here. So you just click on the one you want and play it immediately. And then for you already, they put the 3 most recent games you played. That's like the fastest way to use this because you're just gonna come back to the game you were playing last time anyway. Most of the time at least. Then in options, graphic settings, I'm gonna be honest, like most of these don't even, like, don't touch this. If you have a basic understanding of emulation like me, like this is not for you. Don't go in here. Now this little tiny box on the side, this is for you. You know, you can change the resolution of your screen. You can change the refresh rate. You can game in 60 Hz, no problem. Like, it's not even... If you can tell the difference, you're a superhuman between 60 Hz and a higher one. Like, it's not worth it. Aspect ratio, keeping the aspect ratio the same is really important because your game won't get stretched out no matter how big or small you make the window. This is recommended for a reason. That's just how it is. That's the best one. And I don't know what these are, but you don't need to. I've been using this forever and I have not touched this. Okay. You go to options and then audio settings. This is what I like, nice and simple. You can change the volume. I don't have to explain this. Input settings. You can choose all the inputs for a controller you have connected to your computer. So you would click on up, and then on your controller you choose what you want up to be, and it will change it to that for you. And you can connect 4 controllers at the same time, just like you can on an N64. It's amazing. Now this exists. 8-Bit Dough made a N64 controller that's better than Nintendo's, which is really funny. And it's $40, so you can go ahead and buy that if you want the best N64 gaming experience you possibly can have. It's really cool. Alright, what else is here? Configuration. Okay, you can pause the emulation when the window isn't active. I actually don't want that because when I click off of the game, I still want to be able to put inputs in. You can make it enter full screen automatically as soon as you open the ROM. But you can just press Alt and Enter to full screen and unfull screen at any time for any Windows application. So you don't really have to go in here and change that. And there's more settings you can play around with. Hotkeys is important because you can just click on your keyboard and make it do something, whatever you want. And there's all these different plugins you can get, which I never touch. I do not touch any of that. And that's it. That's the N64 on PC. Thanks for watching.